Chiado.
Put emphasis and we're not too.
Or like what language to use, you know. Can you say something is silly or something is funny? So that you
Rua da Trinidad.
I would not be able to drive in the city.
I know, it's crazy. You're a brave man.
maybe it's just having a motorbike. With the dog.
Turn right, and then turn left.
These people.
Oh, still they have
Oh, yeah. What's this?
These people. Crazy.
It was Indian. Look at this, are you?
This place looks also legit. Where are we?
Turn left, and then turn left.
I think it's Chiado. I think.
It's very cute.
But it could be Barrio Alto too. I'm not sure. Lots of tourists here.
Turn left,
Yeah, see,
turn right.
so no, we are in Chiado, but we're going towards Barrio Alto. These tuk-tuks.
Square.
It's so cute.
Gosh, Eileen, there is endless places to explore if we move here.
1 second.
Sorry, one second.
Turn right, and then turn left.
This is crazy.
Turn left,
I think it
and
was
then keep right.
Remember when we had to? It's so cute.
Just think this is a work day.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Monday.
You're right. But all I
In
did is
800
English.
meters, exit right.
Two women.
Yeah, bloody tourists. Yeah, I know. It's probably Brit too.
I think this is Barry Alto, yeah.
Yeah, I think so. Look at it.
Oh my goodness.
This place on a Friday night, guys, is just
Crazy.
full of blue lights and vape smoking teenagers.
And drunken Brits falling over everywhere, getting drunk.
I can't do it. I don't like happy with the area we're staying in. It's so bad. We haven't had any crazy noises now.
Nope, it's very quiet where we
Very
are.
quiet.
Look at this. This is beautiful. We're heading down to Rossio. Wow. I'm glad I'm filming this actually. No worried about, run me over. They don't care. Crazy. Cheeseburger.
Did you get that woman's look on camera?
Yes, I probably did. Like this one here.
Right.
Crazy people. You're my hero. I don't want to drive here. This is mad. Now we're very close to where we are. Now we're in Rossio.
Restaurante, isn't it called restaurant?
Yeah, restauradores. I'll turn it off now.